My name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is called air pollution, and today's date is 29 January 2024. So let's discuss the topic air pollution. Air pollution is basically referred to changes in the environment, that is imbalance of the gases, that is air gases present in the air are different, that is carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. In the air most of gas present is nitrogen, but there is a imbalance proportion of these gases, then there is a result of air pollution. Air pollution is a happen because of several reasons. In overall all the world, there is 9% of the human death happen due to air pollution. There are two types of air pollutions. First is primary air pollution. The primary air pollution is happen due to direct emission of the harmful gases. For example, sulfur dioxide. This substance emit the gases directly into the environment. Second one is secondary. The secondary type of air pollution is happen due to indirect emission of gases. So there are several reasons behind the air pollution. First one is industrialization. Air pollution is happen due to large amount of industrialization, and that emit the harmful gases in the air, that result into air pollution. Second one is mining. In the world, or generally in India, mining happen in India is majorly mining is happen. In this mining, basically many jungles are deforested, and due to mining there are pollutant and harmful gases released in the air, and this result into respiratory diseases happen to the human beings. So these are the third one is vehicles. In our daily routine we use vehicles that emit the large amount of harmful gases in the air. For example, carbon monoxide. This gas is emitted large amount of in the air, and vehicles are responsible for that. So these are the, and fourth one is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are used to generate the energies, and due to consumption of the fossil fuels there is a lot of amount of gases are produced, and pollutants are released into air. So that's why air pollution is also happen. So these are the major reason behind the air pollution. So how we can control the air pollution? So basically in our daily routine we prefer to go outside the home through the vehicles, but if you are going to shorter distance, then prefer to use the local transport buses or bicycles or buy the foods. So that's why we can save the our fuels, and this is help to reduce the air pollution. Next one is by saving energy. To generate energy, lots of fossil fuels are consumed.